It's time for Wow Factor. Cool facts about fishing, hunting, and the outdoors. Some people call them wild hogs or feral hogs, and some people call them razorbacks. So, what is a feral hog? They're simply a domesticated hog that has reverted back to being wild, and they mean trouble for conservation. Hogs, in one form or another, have existed since the Miocene epoch, dating from 5 million to 23 million years ago. What we know today as the pig was originally domesticated thousands of years ago in Europe from wild stock. They were brought to North America probably with the first Spanish explorers over 500 years ago. Today's feral hogs have reverted back to being wild from domestic stock. They are problem animals in that they degrade wildlife habitat and private property, compete with the native wildlife for food, and can pose a threat to humans, pets, and domestic livestock through the spread of disease. In many states, there is no season, and in fact, many conservation departments request that you shoot them on sight. They cause so many problems. Feral hogs spend a lot of time rooting and wallowing. This contributes to soil erosion, which reduces water quality. They also damage agricultural crops, including citrus trees and others. Hogs are considered an omnivore, meaning they'll eat both plants and animals. Did you know that they even have been reported to kill and eat fawns? And check this out. These are the tusks, and a boar hog typically has 4 of them, 2 on top and 2 on the bottom. The upper tusk files the lower tusk. The result is that the back edge is incredibly sharp and dangerous. Tusks are used for defense and to establish dominance during breeding. A male feral hog also develops a thick, tough skin composed of cartilage and scar tissue on the shoulder area, which is sometimes referred to as the shield. The shield develops continually as the hog ages and through fighting. But here's the worst part about the feral hog problem. They are prolific breeders, and that means that their numbers are growing at an alarming rate. The female, called a sow, is reproductive at only 8 to 10 months of age. They can have up to 10 piglets per litter, can have 2 or 3 litters per year, and can live up to 10 years or more. That means one sow could possibly have as many as 300 young. That's a bunch of hogs. So how big do they get? Well, they average from about 100 to 150 pounds. But have you ever heard of Hogzilla? It was originally thought to be a hoax, but it was confirmed that this giant hog weighed over 800 pounds. It was shot by a guy named Chris Griffin, and he was kind enough to send us this incredible picture. Hogzilla was a cross between a wild boar and a domestic swine. Now that's some pig story. That's this week's Wow Factor. Have fun.